Alright, guys. Today I'm gonna show you this thing I got for Christmas. 3, 2, 1, go. Huh. Let me try it again. I'm gonna see if I can blast it. Sorry, you hear that inside. It's just my dad's friend talking. Alright. Okay. Next time. Okay, guys, and this is our second try. You should get this for Christmas. It's called a rug steyr. Church with the rocket, nerf gun, orange balls, and darts. You will love this, and please subscribe to me. Thank you. Got a great day. Have a great day. Let's get thousands of likes, thousands of subscribers, thousands of comments. Please subscribe to my dad and watch his videos and call him at 803-760-0690. My dad's phone number. Thank you. Have a great day.